Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota, and today we're on board our 2018 Azimut Verve. This boat they call a 40, but it's really 43 feet long, and at nearly 13 foot wide, powered by well in excess of 1,000 horsepower. This boat clearly is not for everyone. There is just something about being on board an Italian-born yacht that puts you in a class all of your own. I won't ever be able to explain this to you. You simply have to come here and experience it. But those who know, and those who don't, just never will. Whether you're talking about the beautiful honey teak table at the back of this boat, the expansive fiberglass T-top over your head, or the miles of buttery smooth teak under your feet on this boat, this is for a discriminating and particular buyer. The seat in the back slides back for when you're running and will lock forward for a dinner at the table. You have prep stations on both sides with a full summer kitchen, holders for glasses, but they increase in size so you can hold your favorite bottle of wine, a stove, a fridge, a freezer, everything that any day boat you could ever hope for would have on it. Coming forward, this boat has electronics at the helm that will rival most yachts. And that's because when Azimut designed this 40 Verve, it comes from a lineage that is entirely yachts. From the power moving helm seats to a teak fold-up footrest that gives you the ability to stand taller at the helm, this boat has many features that you only find in boats much larger. And to back up the joystick steering, the bow thruster, even with the considerable length and width, makes this boat comfortable no matter what the dockage and conditions. But here's the real party piece on this day boat. This 40 Verve has an incredible cabin. Headroom clear over my 6 foot of frame. A stand-up head that is just unprecedented in something this size. You have a dinette that doubles as a bed. And since we're speaking of beds, what this boat truly does differently is an actual enclosed forward. And while we won't get too deep into it, this boat brings more to a day boat and weekender than anything you've ever had the opportunity to find. With almost 500 gallons of fuel on board, just about any island you can dream of is within reach. And with a dinette that converts as well as a master cabin, even for budding families, this boat will give you everything you could hope for in a day on the water. We have it here in the water at MarineMax Sarasota. Y'all, I'm Jeremiah, and if we can help you understand what an Azimut experience is, give us a call and we'll show you the Verve.